Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the 3 mini box break of 2011 Triple Threads. Current time. Quick list of everybody's teams. I accidentally mislabeled it at the top there, but see your name. See, some of you purchased a lot of teams, got that free shipping. Appreciate that. Alright, there's a list of everybody's teams. Go ahead and get started. I got 3 mini boxes here, unopened. Good luck, everybody. Got one there. We'll go ahead and open them all at once. And as you can see, empty boxes. Empty. Just a pack inside. Empty. Alright. Alright, here we go. Okay. First card, yeah, for the Ravens, Jimmy Smith. Next card we got, the rookie, Chris Durham, Seattle Seahawks. Okay. And our first hit. Nice, gonna be Christian Ponder for the Vikings. Got a little reflection going on. Hope you can see it. Christian Ponder. Pretty famous name there. Next, nice. For the Saints, Mr. Mark Ingram, another jersey card. Two nice names there. And an autographed relic for the Chargers, Mr. Vincent Brown. Don't see any serial numbers on that one either. Vincent Brown, autographed relic. Alright, congratulations, those of you got the hit. A nice little rookie here, Aldon Smith, the 49ers. For the Broncos, rookie, Julius Thomas. Trying to get that reflection out of there. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Change camera position for the next one. refractor jersey card for the Lions. Number 139 out of 299. For the Ravens, we got Torrey Smith. And nice, we got a dual relic auto, number 8 out of 35. It's going to go to the Browns. Greg Little, wide receiver, super factor, or X factor, I'm sorry. I'm not sure which one that is, but nice. Player on the top, Browns. Congratulations. Nice dual jersey, dual relic autos. And the last pack. Let's see, we got Ryan Whalen for the Bengals, a rookie. So I can turn this camera. For the Rams, Lance Kendricks. Cards are so new and shiny, it's reflecting the screen back on me. For the Jets, jersey card, no number that I see. I don't know how to pronounce his name, Bilal Powell. For the Chiefs, got John Baldwin. Still a jersey card there. And for the Patriots, number 14 out of 99, blue refractor, auto. Very nice card there. Stephen Ridley. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the break. Hope to see you again next time. Have a good one.